What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I'm going to go over how you can start making money with the knowledge you have inside of your head on a platform known as Skillshare. And if you don't have any knowledge or any skills to promote, I'll show you another way that you can make money online with Skillshare as soon as today. So without further ado, let's dive into this computer. But if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe and smash that like button for me to help get this video out there. It helps me to keep creating content for you beautiful people. Take a look at the computer screen. I'm on a website called Skillshare. And if you don't know what Skillshare is just a website where people can go learn new skills like maybe photography, web design, business management, marketing. There's all kinds of courses on here that people like you and me could just go in here and learn new creative skills, right? So you can see right here, they have all kinds of categories: animation, design, illustration, lifestyle. Let's just click through real quick. Illustration obviously is like artwork, right? Like, so if I wanted to learn how to do art, or maybe you wanted to learn how to do art, we could come to this website and go through some of these classes, right? So what these are is the virtual classes teaching people how to do things. So if you have a skill, then you could come on here and list your skills as like a course. You could create a course and sell it. So let's click on here. Let's go to illustration. I'm just going to show you real quick how this works. See? There's a whole bunch of people selling their programs, right? 151 students, 153 students, 16,000 students. And it's not that you're selling your programs. You receive a royalty based off of the students that enroll in your programs that are enrolled on Skillshare, right? So you're not actually directly selling your program. You just list your program on Skillshare to give accessibility to the customers or the clients of Skillshare access to your program, right? And you get a royalty. So like this one right here has 77,000 students. 17,000 students, 6,000 students, 15,000 students, 122,000 students. And you can see there's just so much stuff you can do. So what you would want to do is you would want to come in here, you would want to kind of reverse engineer what is working for other people, right? Go look at their programs, kind of see like kind of what their layout is, the infrastructure, how they're managing to get people into the programs, right? You would create your own program based off of the knowledge and skills you have. And again, if you don't have any skills, don't worry, stick with me for a little bit. I'm gonna show you how you can do this and make money without having skills of your own, right? So come in here though, and just like look at what the successful people are doing. This person has 77,780 students, right? You can see their course is 1 hour and 22 minutes. That's not that bad, right? You can see another successful person right here, 122,000 students, 1 hour and 7 minutes. Another one, 15,000 students, 1 hour and 40 minutes. 18,000 students, 1 hour and 50 minutes. It looks like the longer it gets, the less students that course actually enrolls, right? So that being said, for a quick takeaway from me, I would try to stay in the 1 to 2 hour range if this was my topic of instruction, right? So just, you would want to look in here, kind of see what people are doing, go into the programs, right? You would just click here. Maybe I have to log in. Let's see if it lets me in, right? Okay, you see, this is exactly what it's going to do. It's going to show you an introduction. You could review the introduction. You could go through the courses if you got a membership with Skillshare, right? And you could just see what people are doing. Read about the about this class description, kind of see how people incentivize people to get into that program, right? And pretty much that's all you have to do. Again, so now you have your skill, you picked your niche, and you want to list your programs. So what you would do is you would go to Skillshare and you scroll down to the bottom, and you can see right here where it says teaching, it says become a teacher. Click on that link, and you can see that on average, or not on average, but top earning teachers make $100,000 each year just by having their courses accessible to students on Skillshare, right? So you can see right here, people are doing this. This isn't something new. This is a real business, right? And all you have to do is create your first class, film your Skillshare class, and publish it, right? Grow the following. There are millions of members learning on Skillshare. We'll show you how to build your presence in the Skillshare community and beyond. So yes, you could go like create, like say you're doing illustrations, right? You could go create YouTube videos doing illustrations, probably like pre-clips of like your program, right? And then redirect people over here to Skillshare to sign up, right? Go to Instagram, go to Facebook, any social platforms. You could put content out there for people to come over to Skillshare, ultimately getting them to enroll in your program, right? You can see right here, you'll start earning. You'll be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes forever. Top earning teachers make over $100,000 a year, right? So you would just want to come through here. You can read the FAQs and see what's good for you, and then hit start a class and start teaching. But for those of you who don't have a skill, maybe you're not an illustrator, maybe you're not a photographer, maybe you don't actually have something specific that you can teach, right? Well, don't worry. I'm going to show you another way. If you just scroll down here to the bottom, on the left-hand side where it says company, a little bit ways down, it says affiliates, right? So if you click affiliates, what this is being an affiliate marketer. So this is an affiliate program with Skillshare that pays you $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So all you really have to do is refer people to Skillshare, and you can do that by creating courses on YouTube, right? Again, it can be on social platforms, reaching out to your Facebook following, anything like that, giving them the ability to know that Skillshare is there and click your affiliate link. An affiliate link is a link that tracks back to you and it pays you a commission, right? So you actually don't have to have a specific skill. You just have to be able to put this link in front of the right audience, right? And you can earn $7 for every new customer you refer. They don't have to have any commitment, no obligations. They get a free trial. Even if they don't purchase, right, and they don't become a member and they just get a free trial, you still earn that $7, right? You get a 30-day cookie for every customer that you refer, which means is anybody that clicks your link and goes over to Skillshare, they are cookied to you, which means they know Skillshare knows that you are the affiliate marketer, affiliate partner that brought them to you. So you'll still receive a commission if they sign up anytime in the next 30 days. And what's amazing about that is Skillshare is actively running ads, right? Getting in front of people's faces and reminding them that, hey, maybe they already visited and they're probably getting hit with retargeting ads, but they're still cookied to you, right? So they'll probably end up going and signing up later on, even if it's not the first time they actually clicked on your link, and you will still receive that commission, right? So you could join absolutely free. It's free to become an affiliate. All you have to do is click affiliates, come down here and hit join for free, right? And then go through all of this stuff that it tells you to do to sign up, and then start promoting, right? Obviously, if you're driving traffic directly to your affiliate link, you're not really building a database of customers because you're giving those customers to Skillshare. The problem with that is for longevity and sustainability of an affiliate marketing business, it's not the best means, right? So what you would want to do instead is create like a landing page, right? This is a software I have called ClickFunnels. If you want to see tutorials, just leave a comment below and I'll let you know. But you would create a super quick landing page. And what a landing page is, or an email opt-in page, is where you would collect somebody's email. So instead of just linking people to Skillshare, you would link them to this page. And right here, you could put like, learn how to launch your very own, you could type whatever you want, right? You could, very own photography class in just 10 minutes, right? Something like that, something to do to incentivize them to give you their email. And what you would do is you would give them like a free PDF, maybe like a 10-page PDF of like, if you're selling illustrations, you could be like top 10 reasons, it would be right here, top 10 best ways to monetize your art skills, something, I don't know, whatever. You get what I'm saying? You would incentivize them with something, get them to give you their email, and then once they click this button after submitting their email to you, they'll then be brought over to Skillshare where they could choose to purchase. But if they don't, or not even purchase, just sign up. And if they don't choose to sign up at that given time, you now have their email address in your email database, your autoresponder, or whatever you use, and then you can email them for the rest of their life, right? Ultimately, until maybe either they purchase or they unsubscribe from your list, right? And even if they do make that purchase with, like, say, Skillshare, and they do sign up, they're still in your email list, which means you can email them time and time and time again with different offers, right? You could go over to other affiliate networks like ClickBank, Awin, ShareSell, right? And you can promote other products farther down the road. So let's say we're in the illustration niche. Well, we know these people that came into our email list, they're into illustrations, right? They're into art, right? So they're into that creativity stuff. So later on down the road, maybe you get more advanced and more skilled at becoming an affiliate marketer. You can now promote other products, like not just Skillshare. You can promote art supplies. You can promote anything to do with that niche that maybe your customer would be interested in, or your avatar, right? So you can see there's a lot of potential in this. If you want more help with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, where we have our coaching program and everything of that nature. I thank everybody for being here. Subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.